Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be listening to the story, Pets Are Fun. Cats are fun. This is our table of contents. Do you remember that is where you look to find a certain area that you are interested in reading? Cats are fun. Can you find these pet cats in this book? Bicolor, Calico, Tortoiseshell, Solid, Siamese, and Tabby. The cat is in a boot. The cat is in a tub. The cat is in a hat. The cat is in a box. The cat is in a bowl. The cat is in a sink. The cat is in a bag. The cat is in a basket. All right, my friends, you will go over to Schoology and complete in your English Language Arts activity book, complete page 147. You can take a photo or video of your work when you are finished. Have a great day.